inside here and there's music here, I'm gonna get copyright. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna speak as much as I can and then put my YouTube music on top. Alright, so let's see. So they have a mini handhelds for $6.49. I'm gonna try their hot honey fried chicken and maybe one more thing, and then that's probably it. And they do have plates, mains, and cocktails. Yeah, but that's where the live band is usually. But I'm very early, so hopefully. Alright, that's their 5-ounce sparkling wine. I don't think, yeah. They're not calling it Prosecco, but it's sparkling. And the music is so loud. Okay, so I did, yeah, the fried chicken, the hot honey fried chicken, and it's a slider. So we'll see. And a fillet fish. So we'll see about that. Alright, so these are the mini handhelds. This is the fried chicken. So $6.49. And then they actually have a combo, 2 handhelds and then a side for 18 and change. So I'm getting onion rings. So okay, this looks pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna quickly, because it's so loud here, I'll try their fillet of fish. Okay, the bun is fresh. A good meaty piece of fish. Tartar sauce tastes nice. There's some cheese in here. Some slaw. So it's very good. Okay. Hot honey fried chicken. Has a pickle in here and some slaw. This is very good. Okay. Has a nice kick to it. Wait for the onion rings now. I'm waiting for the onion rings. Take your bite. They're good. Very good. Okay, got the onion rings. I don't have the phone or the camera phone on a tripod. I don't want to bother with that. But this is the onion rings. Look like nice ones. I don't know if they. I think these are frozen ones. They don't look like they are made in-house. So, aioli. They're good. They're good. I love onion rings. Take your bite. Yum. Take your bite.